welcome to MTTI channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock journals for free using Sci-Hub. I knew it sounds excited. The steps are so simple and easy. And if you guys want to see more educational videos related to thesis, assignments, subjects, study tips and apps tutorial videos from me in the future, then please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get all my latest video notifications. Let's move into the video. Step 1. Go to the browser and type keywords of your title in the search field. Why keywords? Because the usage of keywords able you to get more search results than writing your complete journal or article title. For example, I typed M-commerce here. After you click search, you will direct to this page. Step 2. Click the link you want from the search results. I chose the Science Direct article as an example to show the whole process. As you can see here, you have to pay to access this journal. Now you have 3 options here. Step 3. Copy any of the options to download the article for free. So I copy the DOI link. Step 4. Go to the Sci-Hub website. You may get the link to this website from my description box. Step 5. Paste the DOI link. Step 6. Click the open button. You may download your journal now. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like this video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also, if you want to see more educational content just like this, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all my newest video notifications. Thank you for your love and support, and thanks for watching.